In today's video, I'll show you how to create AI narrators with ElevenLabs so you can produce professional-sounding narration for videos, audiobooks, documentaries, and more. If you're new to AI narration, don't worry. The process is simple, and with the right voice and script, you can create natural-sounding audio in just a few steps. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account and open the text-to-speech section. This is where you'll generate your narrated audio. Next, choose a voice that matches the style of your project. For example, a calm voice works well for educational content, while a more expressive voice is great for storytelling. Now prepare your script and paste it into the text editor. Try to write in a conversational style and use proper punctuation, as this helps the AI produce smoother and more realistic narration. Before generating the audio, read through your script one last time to catch any spelling or formatting mistakes that could affect pronunciation. Once everything looks good, click the Generate button. ElevenLabs will convert your text into a natural-sounding voice narration. After the audio is ready, play it back and listen carefully. If certain words or sentences don't sound right, make small edits to the script or try a different voice and generate it again. When you're happy with the result, download the narration and add it to your video, presentation, podcast, or any other project. With a little experimentation, you'll discover which voices and writing styles create the most engaging narrations for your audience. And that's how you create AI narrators with ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.